Hey guys, me Akila here. This is a long rant. Carlos here.
He died. That nigga died.
He's playing Roblox. Just to know you
finished my time.
Just to know you guys can play with us on Roblox. See is what happened.
You control it.
He is Carcast 13, and I am Cass K. Oh wait, that's what I am. You can follow me up there. This is a sad thing to tell you guys, but the slime challenge is gone. If you haven't watched one of my Musical.lys a few weeks ago, or months ago, someone dropped a slime, of course. Sorry if I sound a little sick, but it's because okay. No, sorry if I sound a little sick. It's because I am, and I got a little cold. My nose is like super duper runny. Just to know, if I was sick, my nose is super duper runny. And I have like a cut between my nose, and it's like it gets irritated. So yeah, so I have to have water on my tissue. Okay. Where do I start even? We're gonna be making 2 different slimes. I have 2 different cups. And of course we're gonna be making slime with our ingredients. Let me find another ingredient. I think we do have another ingredient, guys. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. We do it. Shampoo, body wash. So yeah. Sorry, mine was like super duper runny and like doesn't know what stop. So we're going to be adding this to a mixture. And one more thing, I had put it in here yesterday night whenever I was doing my video. So, yes. Boom! It's like a gold. So I want to do this first with like a little bit of this frozen and a little bit of toothpaste. Just to know, follow me on my Musical.ly, which is Annie Cass K. Finally got it right. Okay, so guys, just follow me there. Follow us on Roblox, Carcast 13, because he was born in 2013. And me, it is Cass KOA, because I was born in 09. So yeah, so let's just get this started. Which one should we do first? I'm going for the orange one. Or just this red one. Let's go for this one. Let's see how it smells. I have never smelled them. This smells like Grandma's. Like my grandma's old shampoo we used to use. Oh my goodness, it used to smell so good. Oh my goodness, did you know it has little, I don't know if you could notice, but it has like little balls in them, like little brown balls. This I think it's coconut flavor. Let's put this back here. It already feels like slime. This is gonna be the best slime ever. Look, it already like has a slime texture. Oh, I wish I had glue to just put it in here and make it actual slime. I'm done. So it's setting. This is just to get it. That's a glue type of stuff. You know what? We're gonna get some glue up here, guys. Hold on, I think I have some. I don't have regular glue, but I have glitter glue. So it's a great start for both of us. Hopefully it opens. This is how I do stuff now. All I do is squeeze it. That closes it. This opens it. Oh my goodness. Why is it so hard to open? I have serious runny nose and I'm still making a video. Sorry guys. This may be a disgusting video. It's not opening. This is how I open everything with my teeth. Oh my goodness. That glitter glue. Guys, this could be our shot for slime. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's just dump a little bit in here. Look at that glitter slime. Look at that glitter slime. Go, go, go. Okay, that should be enough. At least I think. I have no idea. I'm not a slime expert. Okay, let's mix. I know you're supposed to put another ingredient in here. I know you're supposed to put in. I have a great idea. Oh my gosh, you're coming with me? You can sit that there. Okay. I have a great idea. It may be dangerous, a lot of chemicals, but it may be good. Hopefully. You know how you put glue and all of that? And it just turns? Well, no, that is molded. Sorry. Like bleach or something? This is the laundry room. Okay, which one should we use? There is actual spiders in here, so none of the family members like to come in here. Only Mom. She's the only one that wears shoes in here, so don't blame it on me. Oh, super duper happy. Okay, gonna have to see you guys down for a minute. Whoa. Clorox. Well, it won't smell like shampoo and glue. It will also smell like Clorox. Or whatever it's called, Clorox Clean. So, I could just smell Clorox in my slime, yay! And you're saying you have glitter slime, why do you need this slime? So, it's just a homemade slime, so yeah. Let's go take a... Okay, I'll close that here in a minute. Just a little watching live PD. That's the sound it's making. Yeah. Okay. It is so heavy. Okay, this better not. I don't know if it has that slime texture or like what, but we're gonna add a little more slime because this does not look like the slime texture I do not want. Maybe we just need to add the Clorox. Maybe we need to add more slime. Oh no, that's way too much. I put way too much slime. It's gonna be a perfect slime. Dude, it's already that slime. It's already glittery and purpley. Let's just open this and see how it smells. It doesn't smell that bad. We're gonna do it at 8, I think. Okay. If you think I know laundry, I do that. Perfect. Sorry if this is like blocking the stuff from the camera mostly, but Hopefully this works. We have a quick stop to go put this back. Oh no, I think I broke it. No. Okay. We're gonna let that sit. Let's just go take this back. Do you guys remember when I first started making videos? That was like a year ago, dang it. It's about to be 2 years. It's almost Carlos's birthday, so yeah. Okay. Lay you guys down again. Gotta just hold on. I didn't think this through. Yeah, Zoe. This is my big poofy dress that I wear from like my 6th day. It was frozen. Go. The other one, look, see the frozen one. And this big, beautiful one. So we just keep them both there for decorations. We have no idea why, but yeah. Look what I found. But good thing we have slime. Good thing we have Elmer's glue glitter. And I never opened it, guys. So first time I opened it. It's still there. So it has time to like sink and all. A bubble. My tree bubble. And it popped on me. Guys, this already looks like the slime hole. Guys, can we have like the actual slime? Oh my goodness. Hopefully it doesn't get stuck to the cup. That would be a problem. I should put Spam on it. Whoa, it's like literally stuck. But that's how we want it, right guys? That's how we want the slime. I'm just making it extra juicy because I do not want it to stick to the cup. And then we're just gonna have to throw the cup away. So it did get like sticky. Maybe the slime was like, it smells so good. I thought it would smell terrible with that Clorox stuff, but oh my goodness, guys. This is the realest slime I have ever felt ever. We're making real slime. We're making real slime. I'm gonna just wash my hands. Oh no, that was pretty all bubbly. We're gonna add a little bit of this. It smells very good. And I think it's Hollister. It's Hollister. Don't know if you can see it, but if you can see the logo, you know it's true. My grandma always said, whenever someone says you're ugly, you know what you just do? Because back in my mom and dad's day, they used to have this thing called Pop, Like, and Drop It. It was like their dap. But it used to be Pop, Like, and Drop It. Pop, Like, and Drop It. And you know what my grandma said whenever someone says you're ugly or you look ugly or something like that? You know what she used to, you know what she said? She said to say, pop like and drop it. Pop like and drop it. No, she never really said that. She just said be yourself and don't let no one get to you. I'm starting to think the slime is not glued to the cup, it's glued to the fork. See, it's glued to the fork. We're gonna have this in the freezer and we're gonna make our next slime. Our next slime is not gonna be with Elmer's glue. This, oh my goodness, it's dripping. This slime right here that we try to open for like thousands of years. Let's go pop this in the freezer for the last freaking time. So I think it's gonna be real actual slime that we just made, guys. Oh my goodness. Did you see that, guys? It really looks like slime. Why am I so surprised about slime when I have glitter slime? Oh, you know what I just realized? This is glitter slime too, guys. Glitter slime with balls in it. So let's go pop this in the freezer. Hopefully. I'm like not getting that right camera angle. I remember when I was like 7, 6, I have no idea. When I started my videos, I was 7, so. No, I was 8. I don't know. I think I was 7 when I first started my videos. I'll be not in there. I just realized we need the fork. Oh my goodness, you guys are in the freezer. I know they say it's bad to put your phone in the freezer. But I do it anyway. If you guys want to see all my new ice stuff that my hands are gluey. They may be stuck together. Okay, I have made some epic good stuff, guys. Why is this? Okay, I have made like ice stuff, a lot of good ice stuff, guys. A lot of more crystals. Since you guys have a big god, oh my goodness, I have made a black crystal. I have made a mermaid crystal where it's so green it's blue behind the camera. I wish you guys could see it. And I have made more stuff like out of the kitty's food bowl. I don't know if I ever showed you guys that in the Viscous Ice video. And I have done way more modes. This is an owl mode. It's on top of an owl. Here's the original mode. It does not look like an owl. I have made eggs out of ice with water balloons. I have made tons of stuff. And now I'm getting the frostbite. Oh my goodness. Hopefully our slime turned into non-slime. I have made this thing right here. It's a crystal instead of an egg. That is how popular I am. I have made a big ice crystal. I showed you guys that. I have made chandeliers. It's getting really cold here. See, you guys are super duper cold, so we should get you out. William, not the oven! No. That is dangerous. Do not put your phone in the oven, guys. Friska! Let's go. My phone is at 30%. I don't know why. Do you know why? It was just on 50, so yeah. And I left the fork. Let me go get it real quick. Friska! 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 Please entertain them. So hi guys, it's me, Friska, the cat that likes to fetch, and I have lost my spider again. So we're gonna be making cat slime. Entertain me, Friska. I'll be right back. She was supposed to entertain her guys, but she did not. This next slime we're not. This next slime we're not gonna be using slime, we're gonna be using bubbles. No, we're not. So let's just make our slime. This is my slime. My imaginary slime. Let's play with it. Yeah, no. So our slime is gonna be with this stuff. And then there's a bit of this stuff. I feel like this smells super duper good with Hollister. So yeah. Oh, see, it smells like coconut. So let's just put that in there with a little bit of balls. With the balls that are in it. People say I'm a medium. And I'm not, because the old show Law and Order, I always watch it. Not always, but my mom and dad always watch it. And I always get the victims right. Or whatever they call them. This has slime all over it. I just want to feel the balls. The balls feel like nothing. We're going to add a little more of this. Stuff. I'm going to start editing my videos so that way whenever I go get something real quick, it can be edited and ended. I'm gonna add a little bit of this. This is not the one that we used this last time, does it? Is it? I think it is. Just remember, it's pink though. So the last one that was pink, it spilled and it was white. Remember, guys? Hopefully this one turned into slime. Guys, should I just go against the walls and make it slime? Because it looks very good. We're just adding everything in there. That smells super duper good. It smells like blueberry. Just to know that the Descendants thing that came out yesterday night, because it is Saturday. If you guys saw the Descendants 3, I think it's, you know how they say it's Disney. I think it's Uma trying to be Disney, so yeah. Unless Uma's very good and it's not Disney, Disney is becoming evil. Or Disney is possessed by Mal's dad. You wanna know? Or Disney just kidnapped Uma. I have no idea. This looks too pretty. To be non-slime. We're gonna add a little bit more. Perfect. Everything's so different and so bubbly. This is a very short video. Maybe we could have a part 2. Let's go pop this in the freezer. And my hands are all gooey. Let's just wash my hands real quick because my hands are all gooey. Don't know if you can hear me. Now can you? I think it's going to take a long time for the slime to get ready. It's going to have to take 2 hours, an hour. Hopefully it's not. Hopefully this cannot be 1 hour video. If you guys remember how I used to do my videos, I did not even do an intro until maybe 4 months later. So I'm going to be going through memories. What if I still have that stuff on my hands and I just went like that and then my eyes just started burning? That would have been good. It would have been crazy good for y'all. Let's go pop this in the freezer. Sorry. Scott, I'm not calling you. Still following me. 6:20. Oh my goodness. Perfect. Look at all my ice stuff that I have made. Oh my goodness. What's supposed to look right here? You guys have slime all over you. And let's see what our other slime looks like. Now, So this is it. It's been in there for like maybe 10 minutes or so. And it looks nothing like slime. Well, yeah, it looks something like slime, but it's just the feeling of it, I guess. Maybe they're just not supposed to mix. Dude, is that a spider web? Please don't tell me that's a spider web. There's a spider web, guys. There's a spider web on the slime. I don't know if it's hair or not, but there's a spider web on the slime. Don't know if you guys can see it. And I do not want to touch it because I never mess with slime. I mean. Okay, you ready, guys? Oh, yes. Ah! You can see the spider web tickling. Oh my god, guys, there's a spider web tickling. I don't know if you guys can see it. We're gonna. Sorry, guys. I've just seen like a lot of spider webs around here. Oh my goodness. Let me wash my hands, guys. Like, oh my god, this is so scary. I don't know if it's because of the camera or because of there's a net.
Get out.
Oh, my hands are so bubbly. Literally, I literally just said poof. What if there's a spider in our slime? That would be totally not cool. I'm gonna put this back in the freezer and we'll see how it looks like in part 2, which is gonna be here in a couple of hours. So yeah, guys. So yeah, guys, if you guys want to see part 2, you definitely can, guys. Whenever. Oh shoot, I gotta clean the screen. You guys definitely can see part 2 here in a minute. I'm just gonna come out with it. Oh, excuse me, 2 hours, 3 hours, I don't know. I literally woke up at 2, so I'm gonna wait for 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna wait for 6 hours. Wow. The day has been gone by so fast. I literally feel so different. I don't know why. But I will see you guys on part 2. Follow me on my Basically. Turn on notifications. Subscribe. And give this video a big thumbs up. Part 2 too. And on the other YouTube stuff. And yeah, bye guys. See you here in a bit. Bye.
Yeah, and bye guys. Comment down below. Hit that notification button and hit that subscribe and hit that bell and notification and bye. I'm playing Roblox.
Follow us on our Roblox, which is
Michaela 08.
which is Carlos Cast 13.
I'm Look at my face. I'm dressed like that.
Cool. Mine is Cast 08. No, Cast K08. And I will see you guys later. Follow me on my Basically, which is Addie Cast K. Well, I'll see you guys later. Bye. But here in a minute. Bye.